So we've just been checking our fence lines today. It's another fence line that I'm checking. This is a beautiful spot in one of our pastures. It's just lovely with the pathway through the trees at the edge of the pasture, and just a beautiful, another beautiful moment of my day. So far so good. There's no trees down. We're trying to make a trail so we can get through with the four-wheeler. So that tree was cut. These ones have been cut. Also, it gives the cows a better pathway once we get it all cleaned up. So that segment is good for the fence. And our rain we got the other day has filled up this little pond. It's good.